In other businesses, global energy markets are on edge as tensions escalate in West Asia. Oil prices have surged and fears of supply disruptions are rising. But the world's energy watchdog says there is no immediate need to release emergency oil reserves. The International Energy Agency says supply remains adequate for now, even as geopolitical risks mount. The International Energy Agency says there is no immediate need to tap emergency oil stockpiles, and this is despite growing tensions across West Asia. Speaking in Brussels, IEA Executive Director Fatih Birol said that the global market still has plenty of oil and there is no shortage of supply at the moment.
I should first tell you that today there is a plenty of oil in the market. I repeat, there is a plenty of oil in the market. Our problem is a problem of dislocation. It's a problem of logistics, and this is a serious problem. And it is creating challenges for many countries, and for some countries more than the others.
Now, the agency says it is closely monitoring the situation, but for now sees no reason for coordinated emergency action among member countries.
As far as the stocks, IEA stocks are concerned, I can tell you that based on my discussion with the IEA member governments and looking at the current market conditions, I can tell you that all options are on the table.
The IEA and its partners collectively hold more than 1.2 billion barrels of emergency oil reserves designed to stabilize the market during severe supply shocks. Energy markets have been rattled by the escalating conflict involving Iran and rising tensions across the Gulf region. A major concern is the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical energy choke points, through which around 20% of the global oil supply normally flows. Any prolonged disruption to shipment through the strait could quickly tighten global energy markets. Oil prices have already surged sharply in recent days as traders price in geopolitical risks and the possibility of supply disruptions. But some analysts warn that continued conflict in the region could push oil prices significantly higher and reignite global inflation pressures. Still, the IEA says global supply fundamentals remain relatively strong for now, and emergency reserves are meant to be used only if there is a clear physical shortage of oil in the market. Officials say they are prepared to act if needed, but at this stage, markets remain adequately supplied.